Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop continuation from previous unit 4. This one foreground, blue color, foreground color. Say here selected background color, red color here. Foreground color, already you understood how to change that. Background color, so you click on here. You click on here. So you can choose the colors from here. Same as foreground color. So you select this one. So then after that, okay, it's coming like this way. Say how to get to the background. Say go to File, New, and Content. Already done this part, Content. Say here now, say this one white color. So you select this one, white background coming on here. White background. At the same time, foreground color, blue color. So then File, New, background color. You select the background color, option buttons. So then after that, okay, coming with that background color, right? So the background color, whatever you need, say first you select the color. So then go to this File and New. Under that option button, select the background color, right? So likewise, so now go to File and select Open JPG pictures. These are JPG pictures, BMP pictures, whatever, PNG, GIF, picture format you can open through this way. Say just select this one. So then after that, okay. Say this one separated file, picture 3, JPG, 100% RGB, 100% RGB. So you can increase the size like this way. So then after that, crop tools. From toolbar, crop tools, you click on here and select which part you need. So you select through the crop tools. Say here, highlight like this way. Only I select this part only, rectangle shapes. So now selected that part for the crop. So then click double time. You can get only that part. Say one more, once again. So you can open the picture formats. So likewise, the saving file also, PSD file, Photoshop document file also, you can open through this way, both sides, right? So now click on here, open. Say just select this one, open. Crop tools, already selected this crop tools. Say now select this one, only this part with this one. So then after that, click double time. So you can get only that part, particular portion only you can get. So this one crop tools. So later we can how to edit that part, everything. Say now just I choose the crop tools. So one more tool, file, open. So just select this one, open. Say here this one, rectangle tools, select objects, select object tools, rectangular marquee tools, elliptical marquee tools, single draw marquee tools, single column marquee tools. So just I'm going to select this one, rectangular marquee tools. Say just select like this way. Say only this part, only this part. After that, edit, or so you select the move tools. Click on here. You can cut like this way. Say then is a new file, white color background. So you drag from here, drag from here, drag from here, and keep it on here. This one, move to that particular file. Say then Control plus T. Earlier unit we done this part, pre-transform. So you can increase the size. So you keep it on here, or say reduce the size. Right mouse, pre-transform. Correct. Scale, rotate. Already we done this part, previous unit. So likewise, so then press enter, come back to this one, say now close this. No. So once again, file, open, to select this, open. The select object, rectangular marquee tools, once again. So just I select this one. Only these two, or these three. Say then click on this move tools. Say then drag from here, then keep it on here. From different files, you can cut like this way after the selected object. So then Control plus T for the pre-transform. So highlight like this way. Say from different files, you can cut the pictures through the rectangular tools. So just you practice like this way. Later we meet with the new functions.